Hello there. We've had the Q4 for about a year and a half, and this week is the first time we've had to take it back to the dealership for anything. So if you watched my video recently, you'll have seen there are 3 issues that we needed to get looked at. First one was that the battery and the key was being replaced, and the car was popping up intermittently to tell me that. Second issue was that the wiper blades were being replaced. So the front ones were smearing pretty badly, which is hard to show on here. Hopefully you can see it was just leaving smears everywhere. They would dry off as the wind was pushing over and drying up the water, but it wasn't ideal. And the rear one, well, you can see for yourself. The third issue was a slight vibration noise above about 55 miles an hour. Now I tried to put that in my last video, but you couldn't really hear it on the camera, and people in the car aren't really aware of it either. But once you know it's there, you can hear it a bit. So it was booked in yesterday to Audi, and they ended up keeping it overnight, so I got it back today. So here's what the wipers are like now. Much better. They've also replaced the key battery and checked the tread depth on the tyres, which are all looking pretty good actually. As for the vibration noise, that was a bit trickier. So they confirmed there was noise there. They checked the wheel balance on all the wheels and found they were all out of balance. And one of the wheels had 160 grams of weights on it, which I'm not an expert, but that sounds like quite a lot of weights to be on to balance a wheel. Now bear in mind, these tyres have only been on the car since November. They also carried out a road force balance on the wheels, and the technician that I spoke to was telling me that basically the tyres aren't quite round, and they've got high bits and low bits. I don't know if that's a usual thing or not. It doesn't sound that normal to me, but I don't really know. The upshot of this being, I have to try it out, see if it sounds any better, and get back to them. Initial impressions are, it does sound much quieter, if it's even there at all. I do have nice shiny new weights on my wheels. Still looks like quite a lot of them, but again, I'm not an expert on that. So I'll keep an eye on it. I'll get it back into them if it's looking like it's going to be an issue. They are saying it'll probably need new tyres before they can diagnose any further. But we'll see how that goes. Overall, the dealership experience was really painless. The communication's been great. They kept me in the loop of what's going on. No complaints there at all. Right, that's all I've got for you in this video. Remember to like and subscribe. If you've got any suggestions for content, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.